Hey guys, so today's lesson is going to be about how to use the sum formula in Google Sheets. You may have not really worked in Google Sheets that much. I know you did a little bit last year in your maritime science class, but you weren't necessarily responsible for creating the formulas yourself. So this is the first step for you to get started with that process. So again, let's go. If you have not created a folder yet, create one that's called MathWork. That's new folder. I've already got one. And we can just create a new Google Sheet just to play around with this formula. So a sum formula, that means adding things up, knowing what the total is. So I can just add a couple different numbers in. Doesn't matter. Okay, I want to know what those are adding up to. I do equals sum, open parentheses, and I see it's from A1 to A3. You see it selected it, close parentheses. The total is 140. All right, why is this formula cool to have? If I change this number, instead of saying 50, I say it's 75, changes that total. I don't have to re-add it myself. So no matter what I do to this, it changes the numbers. Okay, it's really nice. Another way of doing that, instead of typing everything by hand, I can select. Okay. This will also work. Say I've got like a bunch of different numbers. Okay, I can do pretty much any grouping of numbers. I can select all of those. I see that all of those numbers add up to 1,081. Let's say, whoa, what just happened there? Let's just say I have a huge list of numbers and I want to know what the total is. I like to leave a space once I've got a lot of numbers in there. Okay, so it works that way. It works going across. No matter what you do, you got a sum formula. Sum formula.